Do you know that pills are not the only answer to your high blood pressure? You can 100% lower your blood pressure naturally by taking simple actions today. Unless the person has done delayed food sensitivity testing and found out that a particular food is wreaking havoc in their body, I much rather to increase beneficial food. Eat more foods from the earth, more nutrient-dense foods, not stuff from a package. And as we say in the naturopathic world, eat the rainbows. An example of that in a day, adding grapes to your breakfast, or adding blueberries to your oatmeal, or getting all of your things together and throwing them in a green smoothie if you don't have a lot of time. Lunch could be a large salad with your sub. Now, if you're prioritizing eating that salad first, and it has yellow and red tomatoes, yellow and red peppers, a little celery in there, some edamame. Ooh, I'm getting hungry. Celery is a diuretic, so you could throw some of that in there, especially if you have healthy fats in there, like avocado that's filling and heart healthy. You have a lot less room to eat that sub, right? Now you're gonna eat a lot less of that sub and not feel deprived. And for drinks, I would rather someone drink a sparkling water and eat a whole orange so that you're getting the fiber too, rather than drinking a glass of orange juice. You get where I'm going with this? Dinner could still be an eggplant parm and a slice of garlic bread. Not necessarily a big deal if your diet is overall balanced, right? Now these foods are contributing to your nutrition rather than settling on the body as a source of stress and inflammation. 50% of people have no symptoms. The most common side effect of high blood pressure is stroke. And everybody probably knows about FAST as the warning signs of stroke, but sometimes the first sign of stroke can be death. 95% of hypertension cases are reversible. Oh, and doesn't that sound awesome? Let's go! That was a quick example of what a day could look like, but on a large scale, you're really aiming to increase more dark leafy greens, richly colored foods, because those are high in antioxidants. Cold water, fish, and nuts are gonna give us our heart healthy fat. And no, I don't believe in low fat for heart disease. Foods rich in vitamin C, and don't forget high in fiber. Fiber is so super important, especially if cholesterol is already a player in your heart disease. Garlic is an amazing antihypertensive, but if you're not under medical supervision, just add as much garlic to your food as you can handle. If you're getting value from this video, hit the like button and share so YouTube can put it out there to more people.